Hello, this is Blue Storm Wyvern, and I'm storming at you with another review, and today I'm bringing you the Transformers Authentics Ratchet. Authentics Bravo is what they're calling the smaller figures, because he's about the size of a scout class. So they call the scout class the Bravo figures, where I guess the deluxe size is the Alpha, and I'm gonna get the Authentics Alpha Wheeljack at some point and do a review on him. And the way I'm going to do these two figures, at least, is put them in other lines that are kind of lacking. So like for Ratchet here, I'm going to put him in the Earth Spark lineup, and with Wheeljack I'm going to put him in the War for Cybertron lineup until when they come up with a studio series for the War for Cybertrons. So in any case, taking a look at quote-unquote Earth Spark Ratchet right here. Take a look at his picture right up on top. And of course there he is in vehicle mode. Typical. This came as this came like this, so I didn't do this. So, and of course you get the red Transformer logo there, Hasbro, and on this side you get the publicity shot. He transforms in 7 steps. He doesn't come with any accessories. All he has is his instructions, and pretty basic. And yeah, he's pretty simple to transform.
Alright, so let's get him out here. Of course, it says Autobot Ratchet right there. Yeah, you gotta kind of be careful. Do that. Alright, so taking a look at Ratchet here. Pretty simplistic in design. He's got a gray crest on his head, white for his face. It could be, if you're good at painting or if you have a silver Sharpie, you can pretty much take care of that. And he's got a blue faux windshield for the chest with an Autobot symbol right there in the center. And he is pretty much lacking paint. So, like I said, if you're good at painting or if you have a Sharpie, you can pretty much fill in those unpainted slots. Okay, so, and like I said, he's pretty easy to transform, so we'll start by swinging out his inner shins, and they'll connect like this. Do the same for this side. And I will say that this is basically a line for the younger kids, so yeah, you just push the legs up, then you can connect them. They'll form the back end of the vehicle mode. Next, flip these up over the shoulder, and this tab will go into this slot right by the fist. Actually, this tab will go into this slot, and then this tab will go into this slot. So I just gotta line it up and just put it into place. And do the same for this side. Fold it up. Get all the tabs into place. Now, keeping him tabbed into place is the biggest challenge. And then just bring that over. Get everything all tabbed into place, and there he is in his vehicle mode. And as always, Ratchet is an ambulance, so and he's got a red and blue light bar, blue for the windshield, some red striping, and if you want you can extend that red striping along there all the way around, and put some blue in for the windows on both the sides and the back, and of course on the side doors, and then he'll really come out. So there he is, and I do have to say, for a toy of his size, he does have some heft to him. Just a little bit, not too much, but yeah, he's got some heft on him. And I got him off of Amazon. So, and you can find him on, you can also find him on eBay. You can even, I guess you could also try, like, as Hasbro Pulse, maybe Big Bad Toy Store. I haven't really looked for him on those sites, but if you can find him there, great. But my best bet is either Amazon or eBay. You'll have better luck with them if you want to get this figure and any of the others. Well, except for like Wheeljack, I've only been able to find him on eBay. So, but in any case, here is Transformers Authentics Ratchet. So as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.